This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Julia Shea. Spectacular views. This bright and open condo features an updated kitchen with granite counters, stainless appliances, and ample cabinet space. Boasting an open floor plan, the spacious living and dining areas include wood floors and an electric fireplace and lead to the balcony to relax and enjoy the amazing view. Freshly painted with new carpet in the bedrooms, this condo is in beautiful condition. Primary bedroom offers great closet space and a recently updated bath with tiled walk-in shower. Fantastic building amenities include 7-day reception desk coverage, full-time maintenance supervisor, elevator, library, community room with water views and full kitchen. Outside includes a saltwater pool, boat dock with boat slips available for yearly rental and an outdoor grilling area. This condo offers assigned storage and one assigned parking spot near the door. Gas, electric, HVAC, basic cable and water are all included in the condo fee. Don't miss this opportunity to be a part of this lovely waterfront community. For more information, review the details below or contact Julia Shea at 757-971-6221.